Hey, what's up friends? Professional Coyote here. This is my Honda Accord 2009, and today when I approached the vehicle, I noticed there was a big drop of oil in the morning, so that has to be addressed right away. So first of all, I started popping up the hood, checking what could have happened. You have to go to the side where the oil was on the floor, and notice that the cup of the steering was broken. As you can see here, one of the hoses broke. And you know, this kind of parts here where I live are a little costly, so I decided to just try to fix it with home materials. So I take the hoses clamp off, and take out the cup. As you can see, there was still oil on the inside of the cup. To fix this, I will add this tube I have on my home, but it won't fit, so I will drill a little wider the hole to make a tight fit. And after working a little bit the tube, I make it really tight, as you can see here. To fill the holes, I added some epoxy resin. And after 2 hours of letting it dry, it looks quite hard to be installed again in the car. So I bolted back again in its place. And tied again the hoses and the hose clamps. And start again the car. I double check if there was any leaks. I'll let you know in the future if this fix worked in a long term. And finally added some fresh direction fluid. That's all for today, so hope you enjoy, subscribe, and see you in the next video.